Raw data is easy to publish but hard to turn into action. Wayfinder, previously Atlas, changes that by transforming public datasets into a research workspace where you can discover, qualify, and track charities faster. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use Melody, our AI research assistant, to find UK charities using Charity Commission data and save them into a custom portfolio. Let's get started. When you first open Wayfinder, you'll land on the traditional search screen. For this walkthrough, though, we're heading straight into Melody, where we will type out our first prompt. In this example, we're asking Melody to list the top 25 hospice charities by income and in Kent. Let's see how it interprets that request before running the query. Let's give Melody a moment to analyze our question. Melody responds with its interpretation, and as you can see, it's understood the request correctly. Let's run the query. Now let's give it a moment to return the results. And here we are. Melody has returned a ranked set of results, along with useful detail including sector, income, expenditure, status, and gift aid. This gives us a strong starting point for qualification, but location matters too, so let's switch to the map view. Here we can quickly sense-check the geographic spread and confirm that these organizations are where we would expect them to be across Kent. We can zoom in for a closer look, then simply reset the view to return to the original map position. One of Wayfinder's most useful features is the ability to save and replay prompts, so once you've found a query that works, you can reuse it in seconds. Let's return to the table view and save this one for future use. Wayfinder automatically suggests sensible values for saving the prompt, which can be edited if needed. With that now saved, let's clear the screen, open the prompt library, where we can see the newly saved prompt and replay it in just a couple of clicks. And there we are. The results come back instantly. So this is already super useful, but what if we want to save these results for future research? Throughout Wayfinder, you'll see an add column. This lets us add charities to a charity basket, which we can then save into a portfolio. Charities can be added individually or by using Select All, and this works across standard search, Melody, and even regional maps or state maps in the US. Simply name your portfolio and click Add. That's it. Wayfinder confirms the save, and we can now head over to Portfolios to view the one we've just created. We'll do a deeper dive into portfolios in a future video, but even at a glance, you can see that Wayfinder gives you a dedicated research workspace, with a dashboard designed to help you organize, track, and manage your shortlist. From here, we can customize the look and feel of the portfolio by applying a cover image, helping different research lists feel distinct and easier to recognize at a glance. Once we open the portfolio, we can work directly with the charities inside it. For example, we can quickly sort by income to bring the highest income organizations to the top. Or open a charity's detail page and scroll through the information, so you can carry out a deeper review of each saved charity and update your findings directly from within the portfolio. Within the portfolio, each charity can be managed in context by updating status, setting priority, choosing a pin color, adding a next action, assigning a due date, and marking it for monitoring. Notes can also be added directly against the organization, creating a simple research timeline that keeps key observations, follow-ups, and decisions together. Clicking the note icon opens a dedicated editor with rich text features and entry types for notes, emails, calls, meetings, applications, decisions, attachments, and research, making it easy to keep a fuller record of work against each organization. And as soon as it's saved, it appears in the timeline, giving us a clear record of research activity and helping preserve context over time. Wayfinder includes a 14-day free trial of our professional plan when you create an account, so everyone can try Melody for AI-assisted research. And if you'd like to learn more, you can explore our products page for a comparison of our two Frametric-powered AI assistants, Harmony and Melody, which you saw in action today. For context, Harmony is our AI data analyst for your own operational data, including CRM and third-party fundraising platforms, and can do everything shown today and much more. That's a quick look at how Wayfinder helps you move from discovery to organization and ongoing research management, all in one place. Thanks for watching.